So this is Henry. He's 15, and today we've just bought him this new toy, which he's got a roll of paper in, which he seems to be liking. Normally he's a bit funny with new stuff. It can take him a few days to warm up to it. As you can see, he likes it. Is that fun, Henry? Henry, wanna dance? Henry, wanna dance? Yeah, woo! Is that fun? We've only had Henry about a year now, and he's settled in well. Give a kiss, Henry. Henry, sing a song. Hi. Oh, are you coming to say hello? Henry, you want a stroke? Yeah. Henry got new toys. Henry's got new toys. Dance. Henry, want to dance? So we're just waiting for a new cage also to turn up, as he's been in the same one for 15 years. So I am dreading trying to get him into that. As you can see, this is his cage that he's always lived in with his previous owner. And we've just purchased a new bigger cage. So any tips on how to settle him into his new cage, I would really appreciate it. And I will keep you updated with how we get on.